Hello everyone, welcome to CapCut channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. And the best part is you don't need to install any Android emulator. Now the first thing you need to do is click on Start and then type in Store. The best match should come up as Microsoft Store. Click on it, and once it opens up, go to the search box and type in CapCut and then press enter from your keyboard, and here you can see CapCut. Now from here all you need to do is just click on install. Now as you can see here, it is downloading and it's only 370 megabytes and it's not gonna take very long. Once the download is complete, CapCut will be installed automatically. You don't have to do anything, as you can see here. And once the installation is complete, it will show that it is installed. Now from here you can just go to Start, and then at the top you will see CapCut, and then click on it. Now at this point CapCut will test if your computer is ready to run it properly, and as you can see here it says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Now from here all you need to do is click on confirm, and from here click on start creating, and we are good to go. And that is how you download and install CapCut on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.